This video will describe how to use the PDF reader in Read and Write for the Mac desktop. This tool is used to read PDF documents, as Read and Write is not compatible with PDF applications. The PDF reader is not found on any of the pre-assigned toolbars, but can be placed on the user-defined toolbar. Refer to the Toolbar Modes video to learn how to customize a user-defined toolbar. Click the PDF reader icon in the toolbar. You will be prompted to open a PDF document using the browser window. Once the PDF document has been opened, you will be presented with the PDF reader interface. In the bottom left-hand corner are some basic tools. The first icon will open a thumbnail view of the PDF document in the left-hand pane. The next two icons will rotate the PDF document counterclockwise and clockwise. The print icon prints the document. The magnifying glass icon searches for text within the document. In the bottom center lie controls for adjusting the zoom, and on the bottom right-hand corner, the user can navigate up and down pages using the arrow keys or by manually typing the page number. By default, the PDF reader is set to read upon clicking. Any word that is clicked will activate the reading mode based upon the unit of reading that is set in the Speaking tab of the Preferences menu.
Using Read and Write, Mac Desktop 7.
Select the Click to Speak icon in the top left-hand corner to deactivate this function. With the function disabled, it is possible to highlight individual words and use tools such as Dictionary, Picture Dictionary, or even the manual speech tools.
This simple guide will provide an overview of how to use Read